What's up guys, welcome back to another Supra episode. Today we have another modification. It's see-through. You know, I'm a fish bowl, bro. A fish bowl. So we got someone called Royal Tints. Big shout out to them. They hit me up on Instagram and they said, let's just fix this for you. Look at this is terrible. Everybody can see you when I'm picking my nose and everything. So let's do you right, let's get you going. So huge shout out to Royal Tints. They're located in Rockland, California, here in California.
No way. No way, dude.
Oh my god, California, bro.
Alright guys, before we begin this video, if you haven't already checked them out, Simply Carbon Fiber. They sell your favorite carbon fiber accessories. I mean, check them out, man. They have wallets, phone cases, necklaces, chains, watches, sunglasses, you name it. It's real authentic carbon fiber. As you guys can see, this is an authentic carbon fiber wing from a Supra. And look at that, man. It looks super good. For the first time, I actually received a compliment on my phone case. Like, that's actually pretty absurd. So simplycarbonfiber.com. The link will be down in the description down below. Check them out and cop yourself some carbon fiber.
Alright guys, so if you guys have to blend your fuels for your Supra, I found like a little cheat sheet, I guess, to get E50 exactly. 6 gallons of E and 5.1 gallons of 91 gets you that E50 blend and almost full tank. It's enough. And so that's what I'm gonna do right here. And now we gotta go put in 2 gallons of E. This calculation was done by 1.17. You multiply that by the amount of gas 91 you want to put in, and it tells you how much E you need to put in to match it. Alright guys, we're back at the gas station, and now we gotta put more fuel in. This is so stupid.
Someone in the comments let me know. We're at the Touchless Chevron. They have a bronze, a silver, and a gold package. I mean, I just made them buy the gold package, but I actually don't know what's the difference. Do you guys know what's the difference? Oh, already right here? Damn.
Yeah, this one's like... Ooh. Alright guys, so we finally made it down to Rockland. We're here at Royal Tint. They're gonna be tinting the car all the way around. So we're gonna have 5 side mirrors and, you know, back, but the windshield's gonna be 35%. I'm super excited to do it. It's gonna be ceramic coated or ceramic tint, and we're gonna go ahead and see them work on it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the before right now. As you guys can see through, you can see me here on this other side. And now we're gonna see the after. There we go, we in. Bro, this thing is beautiful, bro.
Alright guys, we're gonna use my flash because it's so dark in here now.
Alright guys, I mean, that kind of speaks for itself, but man, this car is dark, bro. Like, I cannot see. I mean, I can see, but like right now it looks like it's really dark outside, but it's not that dark.
Let me turn on the flashlight just so you can see how dark he is.
Yeah. Look.
Bro, you can't see anything. I can't see your face at all.
Bro, this is super dark. So I have 30 up front, so I was saying 35. He does not have 35, so we went down to 30. So hopefully I don't get pulled over. You know, that's the
goal. And it's not even nighttime
He
yet.
has the fucking flash on me, bro. I don't know what else I can say. He has the flash on me. But man, I'm gonna love this because I really, honestly, when you're driving a Supra, you're gonna get a lot of people staring at you in the car, and it's so awkward because the window is right here, and other cars is kind of wider. This is very like smashed in. Gonna be super nice while I'm driving. I don't have to like worry about people just like literally like, they're like picking their nose and staring into the car.
We're back to another day.
All right, so I bought this kit off of Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. Okay.
Oh.
Well, I missed it.
Nah, it smells good though.
I know.
Jesus. It smells hella
Like
good.
this video if you like the smell of gas. Oh damn, I'm getting a little bit dizzy from that.
Boy's about to pass out. The freaking tints are so dark. Can't even see across.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Supra. I'm super stoked to have these tints on the car. They look amazing. Driving at night was kind of but in the daytime you can see everything. I kind of wish I had 5% in the front, to be honest, because you can see everything.
Hell nah.
And you can literally see everything with this 30%. Thank you guys again, and thanks Royal Tint for plugging me with these tints. Thanks again for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your grandma, and I'll see you guys on the next Supra episode. Peace.